Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install VS Code on Windows. So I've got a browser open, and I'm going to go to code.visualstudio.com and hit enter. From here, we'll download the installer. Once the download is complete, you'll see a message come up here. You can also find this in your downloads folder. I'm going to click on this. My antivirus is saying it's safe. I'm going to accept the agreement and click next, and then next, and then next. I'm going to check to create a desktop icon and click next, and then I'm going to click install. Okay, and I'm going to click finish. And VS Code is installed. Congratulations, you installed VS Code on your Windows laptop. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.